Hey everyone, it's good to see you again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Welcome to day 2 of our 5 days of festival makeup looks. Today I am serving you a little bit of orange, some purple hues. This lighting is just not giving it justice because in my mirror I'm seeing purple on my nose, purple on the bridge. The inner corners are giving me purple that you can kind of see. So if you're interested to see how I got this look, continue to watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before getting started. And let's jump right into this look. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Palette Volume 2 look. This is what inspired the orange because there's this beautiful orange color right here called Perfectionist. It's such a gorgeous orange, but first we're going to go into Perfectionist right here just to use as a transition shade for our lids. And as you know, everything's been prepped: eyelids, brows, you know the drill. What do you guys think of this series? I hope it'll be helpful for someone, even for like next year and you just need some quick, easy festival makeup looks. I hope this will like help someone, especially for someone with my skin tone, because you don't really see a lot of festival looks for females and males like my skin tone or darker. So here it is. I mean, there might be, but like we could always use some more, right? Like, why not? So we're just going to jump into that Feeling Myself orange, of course, using my all-time favorite Morphe brush, the M504. Amazing just for blending in one sweep. Like, honestly, this is such an effortless brush to use for blending. Oh, and do you see that pigment? So I'm just going to continue to pack on and blend out this shade until I am satisfied. Ooh, I like that. So I like to just pack on the color in the outer corner and then blend towards the inner corner of my eye, just so it's not too heavily concentrated in the inner corner, and get a nice blown out look. So now I'm just going to take a more denser blending brush. This one's from Too Faced. Dip into that same orange shade and concentrate it right into my crease just to add a little depth to the eyes. Then blending, just like softening it with that same Morphe M504 brush. So next I'm going to take this cream blush by Fenty Beauty in the shade Fuego Flesh, and I'm just going to place that right there, so we can get like a little bit of like a wet look going on here. Just patting that onto the lid. And I'm going to take that same blending brush and just blend that right in. Taking that same brush and that same orange color and just patting that on top of that blush shade, just to make that color pop more and to set it in place. Next I'm going to take this ColourPop BFF liquid liner in the shade Numero Uno. Just do my liner. I already went ahead and used the Touch in Soul No Problem primer, and now I'm going to be going in with this NYX High Glass face primer. You guys know it's my new favorite, especially with the foundation I am about to use. So I am just going to put that all over my cheeks, because usually when you go to festivals you want to be like nice and radiant. So Fenty Beauty matte foundation, duh, in the shade 385. This is like the best foundation to go with this primer. So we're just gonna do that. Oh gosh, this is like really light. I'm gonna try mixing in 380 in that same foundation. Maybe it'll work. Okay, yeah, so mixing 380 and 385 definitely did the trick for me. Perfect. I just used the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer in the shade Tan to even out my under eyes before going in with a brightening concealer, which I'm going to be using the CoverGirl True Blend Concealer in the shade Golden Amber. Just highlight under my eyes, my nose, forehead, and chin area. Do I really have to tell you what powder I'm going to be setting with? I even wiped it down for you guys so you can like see it properly, so you can know what is poppin'. Like, if you're not on this, you need to get on it. This powder just hits different. Oh my god. We're gonna use that same powder to set the rest of the face. Just set everywhere else. Smile lines on the nose. We're gonna bronze now just because it's already sitting here on the table. Jaay Bronzing Duo. This one is the deep to dark, and I'm just going to use this brush from Real Techniques and just mix these two colors together. And just warm up the face. With whatever is left on here, I'm just going to like boop, boop around the nose. And then we're just gonna brush also up into the eyebrows, just the what do you call this area? Just like the beginning of your eyebrows. I learned this from Jackie Ina the other day. I was like, huh, why not? Kind of just like softens up the starting of your brows. So there we go. Hey girl. So I'm gonna be using this Alamar Cosmetics for blush, going into this first color here. That's a nice orangey shade called Seclusion. And just on the nose as well. At first I didn't like this. I was like, why are people doing that? Like, that's weird, but I kind of like it. It's cute, especially when you have highlighter on top of it. It just, I don't know, it just does something to the face, and I really like it. So that's that on that. And I'm just going to go back into this palette and use that same orange color. I'm gonna mix it with my main, this really corally color here. I think it'll just brighten up the under eye area a lot more than just putting on that orange. So I'm going to be using the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Purple Dream, and honestly, it's like, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's like orange, but it has purple reflex in it. It's so pretty. I'm going to take a little bit on this brush Ooh, OMG. I've had this for so long and I've never used it. To be fair, it's orange with purple reflex and I just would not wear that. But like, at a festival, I definitely would. So I'm gonna line my lips with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade BFF2. I'm also gonna take this Ultra Glossy Lip by ColourPop in the shade Me Versus the World. And honestly, I'm just gonna brush it on like that. And use my finger to just fill in the rest of my lips. So guys, this is the completed look. I hope you like what you see. Let me know what you think about it for today's day 2 of our 5 days of festival makeup looks. Let me know what you think down below in the comments section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. It would really help me out and I'd appreciate it so much. I will see you in day 3's video. Bye guys.